Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Icefields Parkway in Jasper National Park, Alberta. In this video, we're driving north from Lake Louise to the Columbia Icefields along one of the most scenic roads in Canada. The Icefields Parkway stretches for about 230 kilometers between Lake Louise and Jasper, and this section takes you through the southern part of the route, deep into the heart of the Canadian Rockies. The Icefields Parkway was officially opened in 1940. It was built during the Great Depression to create jobs and improve access to the national parks. Before the road was built, this route was used by Indigenous peoples, fur traders, and early explorers. Today, it's a popular destination for visitors from around the world who come to experience the mountains, rivers, and glaciers that make this area so special. As we leave Lake Louise, we travel through Banff National Park. Along the way, you'll see turquoise lakes, wide river valleys, and snow-capped mountains. This road follows the Continental Divide and takes you through areas with rich geological history and changing landscapes. The drive ends at the Columbia Icefields, which is one of the largest ice fields in North America outside of the Arctic. The most famous glacier here is the Athabasca Glacier, which flows down close to the highway. It's easy to see and a popular spot to visit. This drive from Lake Louise to the Columbia Icefields is more than just a road trip. It's a journey through some of the most amazing mountain scenery in Canada. Thank you for joining us on this drive along the Icefields Parkway in Jasper National Park, Alberta. Thanks for watching!